your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Get my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is when you. Nobody make me stop the world. Feel my thug.
Hi there, welcome back to my art style. My name is Tammie and I use fashion, lifestyle, and travel content to show you what it's like to be Black plus in a bride. I am so excited to bring you our 8th week of grocery haul content. Before we get into that, I want to wish you a happy new year. I hope that the new year brings peace, love, and tranquility and just overall happiness in your life. With that being said, let's get right into this haul. So the first two items that I want to bring to you are not items that are edible, but they are still staples in this kitchen. So first off, I bought these Scentiva coconut scented Clorox wipes, and I really do enjoy cleaning with these. Clorox wipes are just very convenient for me. I have a stove top that's not the traditional stove top. It's like that glass top without the eyes that protrude from the stove. You know what I'm talking about. And these are really great for that. Also, just wiping down my countertops or wiping down my little breakfast nook. Like, I really enjoy these. They take like a really daunting task and make it a little bit pleasant because of the coconut scent. So try these. I do believe that they have these in the smaller size. So if you don't want to commit to a larger package, try the smaller size first, but I really do like these. The second non-edible item is these Crystal Light black tea and peach additives for your water. Y'all know that I am a Crystal Light or other brands like it drinker. I'm back on really trying to reduce my sugar intake. That has been an ongoing process for me. I noticed like I had been buying teas and craving teas that are not necessarily sugar-free, so this is an alternative. I usually get the green tea one, but I wanted to try the black tea one to see if there was a difference. I do like these though. They're only 5 calories a serving, and with a little bit of lemon juice concentrate, I be getting my life. And so these are the non-food items. The next items I want to haul, I think it's just the fresh fruit and vegetables that I bought. And so this week I bought some grapes. So when I'm replacing something in my diet like gummy bears, then I have to add something to my diet like these grapes. And honestly, like the gummy bears over here in Germany are really like, they really taste like fruit snacks. And so like, I really do think that this is a worthy substitute for that. As you all know, I like my grapes not too sweet and a little bit tangy, and these grapes fit that bill. For some reason, green grapes over here, even though they're sour in other parts of the world, over here they're like really sweet. So I always opt for the red seedless grapes. The next vegetables that I got will be working together in a dish. So I got some carrots and I got some celery because I needed those. Y'all already know from a previous haul about my celery banded tendencies. It was no different this shopping trip. And then I got these carrots. I like to buy both of these items loosely because I don't really need that much for the dishes that I create with them. I also got a potato. I don't cook with potatoes much. Like when I make my mashed potatoes, I usually use the instant mashed potatoes and I can make them taste pretty good. But I needed a potato for the dish that I will be creating going into the new year. And last but not least, for the fresh fruit and vegetable items, I got some onions. This is the one time on a haul that you're seeing me buy onions and no bell pepper. But for this particular dish, I only needed the onions, so I got 2 of these small purple onions and I'll be adding them to the dish. All right, so that is the fresh fruit and vegetable portion. The last thing that I want to show you is what meat I purchased. All right, so the last thing I wanted to show you is just this beef chuck roast. I actually got 2 cuts of it, and yeah, that's all I needed. All right, so that is the end of this haul. I told you, short and sweet, just a few items. Again, I want to wish you a happy new year. I want to repeat the sentiments that I said at the beginning of this video. Just wishing you peace and love and tranquility and overall happiness with the coming new year. I want to remind you, along with my grocery hauls, is a cooking tutorial reel that's on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, be sure to do so. I am at my_AURA_style on Instagram. So please follow me. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and view more videos on this channel. I don't just do grocery hauls. Like I said at the beginning, I do travel content and I also do fashion content as well. So make sure that you're viewing those videos. All right, you all. Again, I am just excited to bring you this content. This is the first content of this nature of the new year, and I intend on bringing more content like this on this channel. Bye.
Fashion, be what you